Hi, welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? As we begin Wednesday's trading, we notice that the Dow trend is still falling. Today's reading, 26% from 32%. Dow momentum rising 58% from 55%. Dow volatility decreased to 1.26% from 1.40%. Dow 50-day net change increased to 440 from 327. Let's take a deeper look into what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we look closely, we notice that the exchange insiders inventory is rising 4% from negative 1%. Institutional money flow rising 48% from 39%. Institutional demand rising 60.6% from 54.9%. Institutional inventory rising 46.4% from 44.3%. Institutional accumulation distribution trend rose as well, 1% versus a negative 6%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed Tuesday negative 1.79%, below its falling 21-day moving average versus negative 2.61% the previous day. Dow trend is falling, and so is the Dow outlook. Wednesday may see selling set in as the Dow remains in a distribution mode. We suggest investors do not buy until the Dow trend changes directions up from its current posture of down. Let's take a look at the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market. We begin today's trading, and we notice that the Dow Jones Industrial Average outlook is bearish and falling. Today's reading 50% from 55% the previous day. Stock market outlook is bullish, rising 21.9% from 74.9%. The Dow has a probability of closing up Wednesday of only 50%, whereas the Diamonds, the Dow 30 Exchange Traded Fund, has a probability of closing up Wednesday of only 10%. So it looks like we're in for some rough sailing today. Going forward, today, tomorrow, or Friday, we're going to be using actual funds to be trading those ideas that I report religiously every night during the 11 o'clock hour. So stay tuned for more. Should get rather exciting. Well, we hope you come visit MktMetrics.com daily. Check out the trading ideas on the blog, as well as the stock market forecast, and an example of what you, a potential subscriber, would receive by subscribing to the service. We put that out daily, every morning, in the form of Diamonds, DIA, which you can also find on our daily blog. Well, listen, you take care. Hope you're healthy, happy, and terrific. Good luck and good trading today.